sound the fridge makes at 3 a.m. is lonelier than any hymn. House asleep, world checked out, but my mind's still pacing every doubt. Moon through the blinds, cause the floor in bars like the kitchen's doing time with my heart. Sink got dishes, handrail creaks, and all my failures suddenly speak. At 3 a.m. the walls get thin, every fear comes shambling in. From the unpaid thing to the unsaid ache, to the promises I could not make. And the cold machine in the kitchen sings the sound the fridge makes at 3 a.m. I drink tap water like medicine, tell myself I'll sleep again. But memory's a dog with a taste for blood, keeps dragging up what never was. Funny how the smallest sound can pin a grown man to the ground. Just that hum and that midnight light in a soul too tired to win the fight. At 3 a.m. the walls get thin, every fear comes shambling in. From the unpaid thing to the unsaid ache, to the promises I could not make. And the cold machine in the kitchen sings the sound the fridge makes at 3 a.m. Then dawn comes gray without a word, and I dress for work like nothing hurt.